and welcome to Ikasan Online Tutorials. My name is Michael Stewart. I'm a core developer on the Ikasan platform, and today we're going to be looking at the REST APIs that are exposed as part of an Ikasan scheduler agent. In order to access those APIs, the first thing I'm going to do is click on the scheduler icon in the left-hand menu of the Ikasan dashboard, where we then get taken to the scheduler dashboard screen. You can see here there's a number of cards, and the one that we're interested in looking at is a scheduler agent card in the left-hand top side of that dashboard. You can see here we've got one agent that's deployed into this environment, and I can double click into that agent, and I can see here that there's a URL that's exposed. If I click into that URL, I'm taken to the login screen of the admin console associated with that agent. I can log into that admin console, and that takes me to the landing screen here with a number of menu items available in the top. If I click into the REST API menu, that takes me through to the Swagger interface. Now, Swagger is a third-party tool that exposes details of all REST APIs that have been exposed within this agent, or this module. There's two different namespaces within this within the REST APIs that are exposed within this module. The first one being the module namespace, and this exposes general ESB services that are utilized within the Ikasan platform. The second namespace is scheduler agent, and the scheduler agent namespace exposes all APIs that are used by the scheduler features within the Ikasan platform. You can see here we have a number of API or high-level applications that are exposed, and each of those have APIs exposed within them. And the Swagger UI gives us a view on what all of those interfaces are and how we can call them. We can click into any of those and get more details, and there's also the opportunity to go and try these particular features out. Now, this particular API that I'm calling here takes no parameters. It's a service that gives me a list of all of the big queue locations that are exposed as part of this agent. And you can see here in the response body, it's returned a list of all of the queue names that are utilized by the agent. All of these APIs have been documented within the Ikasan documentation suite that this video is linked from. So you can go ahead and become familiar with those particular APIs, and then you can use this particular UI feature to exercise those in order to become familiar with their usage. There are client libraries available that allow you to also interface to any of these APIs. Once again, those client libraries are outlined in the Ikasan documentation, and they can be utilized in any Java application that might want to act as a client to these APIs. Well, thank you very much for joining me today, and we'll see you in the next video.